Okay, so today let's study about 3 types of tenses. So we have 3 main tenses here: present, past, and future. So present, past, future So in present we have simple, continuous, perfect, and also perfect continuous. And also for past, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. For future, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous tense. So the coding is simple tense, present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. So the present simple tense both one SES table both one SES bound. Present continuous solution MSR plus buff ing. Present perfect so has half plus buff 3. Present perfect continuous solution has half plus been plus buff ing. Tông mong tông ni at this a got level the cooking is tayin net to be a teacher to go pay them your thing. Tagalo teacher Mahote boot design, a chicken, Bowman I may not the wood that had a posally. Now semi past tense solution, semi past tense buff 2. Past continuous solution was well plus buff ing, past perfect tense had plus buff 3 pepare, past buffer continuous tense caro had plus been plus buff ing. Now future simple so we plus buff infinitive, future continuous will be buff ing, future perfect we have plus buff 3 future perfect continuous tense caro we have plus buff ing go don't be high. A dinia mabono buff 1 buff 2 buff infinitive barry. All of you must say, I'm going to start a bit. Buff infinitive surati, infinitive buff bono, buff ma SES low one apart, basic form of the buff go cover. Buff 3 the past participle go pure, buff ing got a present participle go pure a bit pare. So that the chicken the 3 type of tenses liba. Daliga teacher might happy makes in bibare. Tenses the coaching the detail the level the coaching, yao dime ma, detail the go thing yare, send a stretch go to Sayamaba.